Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Jeep Gladiator Hitch Receiver is probably one of the most essential accessories for any owner looking to expand their vehicle's utility, whether for towing trailers, mounting bike racks, or carrying extra gear for adventures. This robust component is designed to seamlessly integrate with your Gladiator's frame, ensuring maximum strength and reliability for all your hauling needs, making it a crucial investment for enhancing your off-road and everyday capabilities. Number 5. Rhino USA Shackle Hitch Receiver. Introducing the Rhino USA Shackle Hitch Receiver, the ultimate towing accessory for your truck, Jeep, or Toyota. Effortlessly connect your tow strap for secure vehicle recovery. Your time is valuable, and we understand that. That's why we've designed this receiver for quick and simple installation in just seconds. Ensure your safety on the trails. Use this shackle instead of connecting your tow strap directly to the hitch ball for a more secure connection. With an incredible brake strength of over 15 tons, it can handle anything from towing a semi-truck to a UTV. This hitch is built to last. Designed for a universal fit, it's compatible with all Class 4, 2-inch receivers, commonly found on 1/2-ton trucks and SUVs with a tow package. What we like. This hitch receiver is designed for quick and easy installation, saving you valuable time. It offers a safer alternative to connecting tow straps to a ball hitch, especially for vehicle recovery. With a brake strength exceeding 15 tons, it's built to handle even the most demanding towing jobs. If you prioritize safety and robust performance for off-road recovery or heavy towing, this is the choice for you. What people say. This sucker is built. Beautifully built. Seriously. You could probably yank a dump truck out of a muddy ditch with it, so I'm sure it'll be more than adequate for my minivan. This shackle hitch receiver is heavy duty. Great finish, everything fits together perfectly. The shackle hitch feels incredibly sturdy, and provides a great tow rope mounting point for recovering a vehicle. Number 4. Curt Manufacturing 13182 Class 3 Hitch. Experience dependable strength with this trailer hitch. It's rated for an impressive 6,000 pounds, gross trailer weight and 600 pounds, tongue weight, ensuring it can handle your heavy loads. This hitch features a versatile design, equipping your vehicle with a standard 2-inch by 2-inch receiver. It's perfect for a wide range of towing accessories. Rest assured, every design undergoes rigorous testing in real-world conditions. This ensures the utmost safety and reliability while you're out hauling. Its unique dual-coat finish provides exceptional resistance to rust, chipping, and UV rays. This tow hitch is built to last in any condition. Enjoy a custom, factory-like fit on select model years of the Dodge Durango and Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. Installation is straightforward and designed for these specific vehicles. What we like. This receiver hitch boasts dependable strength with high weight capacities for both gross trailer weight and tongue weight. Its dual-coat finish provides exceptional resistance to rust, chips, and UV rays, ensuring longevity. It's designed for a custom, factory fit on specific Jeep Grand Cherokee and Dodge Durango models. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting hitch with a precise fit for your compatible vehicle, this is an excellent option. What people say. It was a perfect fit for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This hitch receiver is a great addition to my Gladiator. It was easy to install and feels very sturdy. The quality of the hitch receiver is excellent. It's well built and looks great on the truck. Number 3. GearAmerica Aluminum Hitch Receiver and Mega Shackle. Stop risking injury with unsafe connections. Our shackle hitch receiver provides a secure anchor point for your vehicle, ready for any towing or recovery job. Enjoy a rust-free experience. This precision-made receiver is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring its integrity and preventing unsightly stains. Get set up in no time. It easily fits a standard 2x2 opening and offers the flexibility to be mounted either horizontally or vertically. Don't settle for less. This premium receiver comes with everything you need, including an isolator and washer kit to prevent noise and scratches. Buy with peace of mind. All our products are backed by our industry-leading, hassle-free lifetime replacement warranty. What we like. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, this hitch receiver is both strong and lightweight, making it easy to handle. It offers a high capacity for heavy-duty towing and off-road recovery, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. It also comes with a shackle and accessories to prevent noise and scratches. If you need a robust, yet manageable solution for demanding towing and recovery needs, and appreciate the convenience of an all-in-one package, consider this option. What people say. Looks sturdy and well made. Great for pulling out Jeeps and Toyotas. The unit is heavy-duty and well-built, as well as being well-engineered. For example, the holes line up square so that the pins go through the hitch point and unit without any problem, unlike other towing equipment I have bought in the past. Number 2. Forged Trailer Hitch Tri-Ball Hitch with Hook. Introducing our exclusive patented tri-ball hitch, featuring a premium forged tow hook with a safety latch. It's designed for heavy-duty towing with a maximum capacity of 10,000 pounds. This versatile hitch offers multiple ball sizes, including 1 to 7/8, 2, and 2 to 5/16 inches, each with different towing capacities. The integrated trailer hitch hook supports up to 10,000 pounds for all your heavy-duty needs. Enjoy a universal fit with this hitch, designed to work with most standard 2-inch hitch receivers. It's compatible with various hitch classes, from Class 3 to Class V. With a 7 to 1 2-inch usable length and 12-inch overall length, it's designed for straightforward installation. The hitch pin holes are conveniently located on all 4 sides for each hitch ball version. Our innovative one-click snap mechanism allows for smart self-locking without the need for any tools. It ensures a secure and convenient attachment every time. This trailer accessory comes complete with a 5/8-inch trailer hitch pin, so you have everything you need right out of the box for a secure connection. What we like. This hitch features a patented tri-ball design with 3 different ball sizes and a forged tow hook, offering incredible versatility for various towing needs. Its secure locking mechanism ensures a safe connection, and it's built for heavy-duty use with a 10,000 pounds max capacity. If you frequently tow different types of trailers or need a multifunctional hitch with a robust tow hook, this patented design is a smart and convenient choice. What people say. The hitch receiver is a perfect fit for the Jeep Gladiator. It is very sturdy and well-built, capable of handling heavy loads. Installation was straightforward and took less than an hour. Number 1. Genuine OEM Trailer Hitch Receiver for Jeep Wrangler JL. Experience top-tier quality with this genuine OEM trailer hitch receiver. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. Specifically crafted for the 2018 to 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL models. Ensure a seamless integration with your vehicle. This hitch receiver is built to last, offering exceptional durability for all your towing needs. Trust in its robust construction. Enjoy a straightforward installation process. Get back on the road quickly with this user-friendly accessory. Upgrade your Jeep's utility and towing capacity. This receiver is the perfect addition for adventures and everyday use. Designed to meet original equipment manufacturer standards. It provides the precise fit and function you expect for your vehicle. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring top quality and a perfect fit for your 2018 to 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL. As an original equipment manufacturer part, it's designed to meet the exact specifications of your vehicle. If you prioritize authenticity, guaranteed compatibility, and the highest quality for your Jeep Wrangler, this OEM hitch receiver is the ideal selection. What people say. After installation it looks great, no complaints and holds my bike rack steady. OEM product. Fits perfect. Straightforward install and didn't have to remove any existing parts in order to install the hitch. This thing installed in 5 minutes. Could not be easier on a 2021 JL. Nothing to remove, nothing to loosen, nothing to do except put it up in place, slide in 4 bolts, put nuts on 2 of them, remaining 2 go into threaded holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.